What's up, students? This is your ELA boot camp. We're going to get you started looking at some sentences and what makes sentences sentences. Here we go. Here's a roadmap of everything we'll go over in these videos. Before we get into that, let's go over some things. These videos aren't meant to serve as a complete grammar course for you sophomores and freshmen. This is just a refresher on stuff you should know from LMS. Maybe you went over it last year, maybe you just need a little bit of a booster shot. If you're looking for a full grammar course, so sorry. So let's start with what is a sentence. When I talk about sentences in your writing this year, we're looking for one complete idea. Writing basics, you gotta have a capitalized first word, you gotta put punctuation at the end, one single clearly stated idea. We'll go into compound and complex sentences later on in other videos. For now, one idea, one sentence. When you have a bigger idea, we'll get into paragraphs. But if you look at this green sentence, my cat's breath smells like cat food. The only idea is that your cat has smelly breath. You are watching a video. That's what you're doing. No need to elaborate. One sentence, one idea. So paragraphs are big ideas combined with smaller ideas. If a sentence contains a single expressed thought, a paragraph is a large, complex idea, and those other smaller ideas give supporting details. Check it out. Sophomores, you know this from TEQA methods. Freshmen, hopefully you know it from middle school, but I'm going to use these colors on the next slide to show you what a good paragraph looks like for nonfiction writing or academic writing. Topic sentence gives us a general idea. Body sentences give us all those nitty-gritty details. Closing sentence revisits it. Remember that sandwich or that burger effect? Check out how it comes together. Let's read as my music's paused. Many people nowadays do not realize how important a spice like pepper was in history. So because that's the topic sentence, you should expect that this whole paragraph better be about pepper being important in history. In ancient times, that's history, pepper, that's the topic, was imported through trade routes from other countries since it could not grow in other regions. Pepper, topic sentence again, along with salt and other spices, was used to season food and help preserve it during time periods when refrigerators had not yet been invented. Reading skills come in here. We infer food would rot or taste bad, so that's important. That supports the topic sentence. Keep reading with me. We're here with the transitional phrase. As a result, pepper, back to the topic, we have pepper, was valued for its rarity, exotic spice, and preservative qualities. Because it was so rare, some payments were even made with pepper as currency. So that's a complex sentence using that because phrase. Look at this last blue sentence, please. This is very similar to the red. It says, though today, people may take a pepper dispenser for granted at their dinner table. In the past, it was extremely valuable. Look back up at the red. Most people nowadays, kind of like people today, may take a pepper dispenser for granted, do not realize how important you take it for granted at their dinner table. In the past, in history, it was extremely valuable. How important? Valuable. So while they're not saying the same exact thing, they're pretty similar. Let's keep going. When we combine paragraphs, we make an essay. An essay is an argument or idea that the student writer sets out to prove. It's basically a stack of paragraphs arguing for one giant idea or a thesis. It's a claim or an argument that you're going to use evidence in your detail sentences to prove. It's contained in the body paragraphs and they stack like Legos on top of each other. We will practice this separately in other videos, but this is why you need to know how to write sentences. If you can't write a sentence, you'll never make it to a real essay. You dig it? Thanks a lot. We'll show you other stuff and other videos. Take it easy, guys.